Welcome to your Barbie Dream House. Now, Barbie grossed over $1 billion and has done amazing. And if you know anything, my friends and I really like to dress up. So we are going to start a new series called Barbie Dream Tours. And this is our first house in Midtown Tulsa that you are absolutely going to love. It is stunning. There's so many beautiful pieces and I can't wait to take you through. If this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Tulsa, Oklahoma and the surrounding suburbs, then tap that little bell notification and subscribe. That way you can be the first to know what's going on in our local Tulsa area real estate market. I'm Sabrina Shaw, a local real estate agent here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and my team and I get calls every single day from people just like you who need help making that move to Tulsa, Oklahoma. And let me tell you, we absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days, 90 days, 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, jump on a Zoom call, and we would love to help you make that seamless move to Tulsa, Oklahoma. Okay, this house is in the heart of Midtown Tulsa. It is priced at $1,648,000. It has 5,310 square feet, putting that price per square foot at $310. You've got an outdoor pool, and I'm going to take you through all this gorgeous luxury living right now. So when you walk in the house, you've got the herringbone wood floors in the entrance, and then as you'll see when we go further, it goes into just the regular style wood floor. But you enter to this stunning floating staircase, and I thought I have seen the sexiest staircase ever, but oh my goodness, I am absolutely in love with this. The staircase is beautiful, and then you've got high ceilings. The ceilings are 22 feet. And you've got all this amazing decorative lighting, like these chandeliers are freaking amazing. Like this is my exact style. I love it. The lights are on, but you have a ton of natural light in the house. And then, oh my goodness, take a look at this. Is this absolutely not what every Barbie needs? And all us real girls too. So yes, we get in further. And again, you've got the 22-foot ceilings, the soaring fireplace, the marbled tile. You have the built-in walls of windows where you look out and you can see the pool with the fountains. And then you enter into this amazing kitchen. It is beyond beautiful. You've got your quartz countertops with an 18-foot island in the waterfall tile edges. And I love the mixed cabinets. I love the real wood look with the white. Both go great with the gold. Absolutely beautiful. And then you've got the decorative pool knobs, the crystal knobs right here that are so lovely. Again, look at this lighting, the pendant lighting that goes down. You've got, your ice maker, dishwasher, galley sink, professional grade fridge and freezer with a double oven. And then this is the best ever. Like, look at this Butler's pantry. It's not the best ever because when I take you to the master bathroom, you're going to die. But you've got, your fridge in here, and then you've got a dishwasher, and another sink, and you can put a microwave. And again, they're mixing the cabinet color. So you've got the nice gray with the gold and the white, and it looks stunning. And still hardwoods. And then you've got shelving, too. Before we check out Ken's room, let's look at the office. This isn't the office, but you have plenty of storage. Oh my goodness, but I would love to work in this office. Now have your computer, looking out the window. You've got beautiful scenery, green grass, it's gorgeous. I love these accent walls. The dark with the bright white and the natural light and natural wood color looks so good. You have a closet in here, so if you wanted, it's a 4-bedroom house, but this does have a closet, so if you wanted to do 5 bedrooms, this would be your 5th bedroom. This next space is absolutely fantastic too. Should we go master or should we go to the theater room? Master. Okay, I'm gonna take you to the master first because it's going to knock your socks off, like literally. Okay, again, walls of windows, natural light. Look at the accented wall, bright, light, warm. You've got the lighting in the tray ceiling, and I'm going to cuss, but these are big ass fans. Like, that is a brand. And so they're super nice and they're throughout the house. Okay, then this, oh shit. Okay, just be ready to be stunned. Because first thing when you walk in, you're drawn to this amazing light fixture. And I love this light fixture. Like, I'm literally in love with it. Then you've got this soaker tub right in the middle, just open to everything, which I love. Totally, you know, read a book, put your glass of wine, just chill for the day. And then you've got the shower with the double entrance, double shower heads. Oh my goodness, it is amazing. I'm seriously in love with it. You've got the marble flooring, marble tile all the way up. I love the lighting right here too. In the mirrors, like absolutely beautiful. They did perfect. And don't worry, it does get cold in the winter, but this master has heated floors, which makes it oh so lovely when you get out of the shower and get on your heated floors. Another thing that Barbie would love. Okay, so then it just keeps getting better. You walk into the closet and you can walk in on either side. You've got a side for his and hers, or it could all be hers and he could have the closet in one of the other rooms. But fantastic lighting, again, built-in dresser. I don't know what this is called. Soft close drawers and a repeat right on the other side. So much space for everything, ladies. I'm telling you, like, I am in love with this. Now we'll check out could be like a den, a theater room. Not really a theater room, it's got too many windows. We've got the great dining area space, which of course you can dine at the island, or you have plenty of room right here. And again, this fixture. And then you enter into an entertainment room, really. You've got the wet bar, you know, your wine booze cabinet, plenty of shelving. Again, you've got the mixed cabinetry with the white and the black hardware. And then you've got the real wood on this side, the big fan. I'm not going to say it again. Great, fantastic lighting, and still the hardwood throughout. Look at this drop zone. Instead of just having the hooks, you've got the cabinets, so you know how messy that gets. You can just close everything off. And then you've got this decorative tile and the accent wall again. Of course, you've got the hooks there, but since you can put things in the cabinets, it works out. And then this goes to the garage. And oh my goodness, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Do you not love the, you know, translucent garage where we can just see out? You've got the epoxy flooring, 3-car garage, extended on the side so you can, you know, put your big trucks in them, and a tankless hot water heater. Just all the extras. So that takes us into the laundry room. And again, I am in love with this cabinet color too. And we're seeing this a lot. So this is a trend that we're definitely seeing now. You know, the sage green, the black hardware. You've got this decorative tile on the bottom. Got plenty of space, a sink, shelving. You can hang your clothes over here. Wonderful, wonderful laundry room. And wait till you look at this half bath right here. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I'm more in love with, but isn't that not insanely beautiful? Like, stunningly gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Okay, let's head upstairs. Oh, I forgot the second room downstairs. And all the rooms have their own ensuite. So you've got a great bathroom, shower here, and nice closet. Again, this staircase is absolutely to die for. The light, the windows, floor to ceiling windows. And I love how they did the accented ceiling right here, and then you can really just see the lighting a little bit more. So we go to this side, and again, you've got this fantastic view of downstairs. And what I like about this is, you know, if you have kids, you'll still be able to hear them. Like, you're not totally closed off from the upstairs. So you've got your own space, but it's not totally to where they're so private that you're not going to be able to see or talk to them. Okay, so you have 2 bedrooms upstairs. So this one, and again, it's got its ensuite. Great tile in the shower, floating cabinets, and very nice closet. My Barbie camera girl loves the attic space right here, which there's plenty of it. And there is spray foam insulation, so it feels super fantastic up here, but plenty of space for you, you know, to store your Christmas stuff, to store your seasonal things. Okay, then here we have a game room. It does have a closet, but you've also got your little wet bar up here. So perfect for the kids or for a game room upstairs. Again, great space. You have an upstairs bath and shower. Again, they've got that, not quite the same color tile, I don't think, but beautiful. And then the last room, it has a closet. Oh, and so that's the upstairs bath, but it also goes to this room. And a great closet. And outside, where I can show you the pool. Okay, so now you can enjoy your great outside space. I hope you enjoyed the tour. And again, if you're thinking about making that move to Tulsa, Oklahoma, or any of the surrounding suburbs, reach out to us, talk to me, talk to somebody from my team, and we would love to show you around town.